How to buy USDT with HDFC Credit Card on MoonPay and Transak. MoonPay and Transak are popular fiat to crypto on-ramp services that allow you to easily buy cryptocurrencies like USDT directly with your credit card. This guide will show you the general process using an HDFC credit card. Open your web browser and navigate to the MoonPay and Transak's official website. Create a free account. After creating a free account, you'll be prompted to complete Know Your Customer verification. This is a mandatory step for compliance. You will need to provide and verify your email address, phone number, personal details like your full name, date of birth, and address, a government-issued ID for identity verification, and potentially a selfie or facial scan. This process is usually quick but can take some time for review. On the main interface, you'll see options to select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Choose USDT. Select your local currency, which will likely be Indian rupees, but ensure it's correct for your HDFC card. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to buy or the amount of Indian rupees you want to spend. The platform will show you the corresponding value, including estimated fees and the exchange rate. You'll now proceed to the payment step. Select the option to add a new payment method from the list of available payment options. Choose credit card or specifically Visa or MasterCard, as HDFC credit cards typically fall under these networks. Enter your HDFC credit card details, card number, expiry date, and CVV. Provide your billing address if prompted. Before finalizing, a summary screen will appear. Carefully review all the order details. After successful payment and blockchain network confirmation, your USDT will be sent to the specified wallet address.